when people are getting so many options
Hmm.
of finding love, still I would say people are not able to find love. How do
Correct.
they seek love?
बिकॉज ऑफ सो मेनी ऑप्शंस. अगर मैं आपको एक बुफे में लेके जाऊं और वहाँ 1000 डिशेज हैं और बोलूँ खा लो, लेकिन आधे घंटे में सारी डिशेज चेंज होंगी, 1000 और आ जाएंगी, फिर आधे घंटे में और आएंगी,
Hmm.
you'll go crazy.
Yeah.
What do you eat? Right? I mean, you're like, अभी वेट करता हूँ यार. So it's just one of those things where people are not realizing कि it is not about optimizing for better and better. It's about finding somebody who you can share your life with, who can be your partner, who will align with your goals, values, dreams, and making it beautiful with them. Maybe someone could have been better.
Hmm.
Maybe they could have been prettier or more handsome or more rich or I don't know, funnier. But you chose someone to grow with.
Hmm.
Well, that's the name of your podcast as well. I mean,
Yeah.
there's growth in love too.
Yeah.
Why do you feel कि किसी को एक मिल गए तो that's you can grow together
Yeah.
and become richer and more funnier and fitter together. Yeah.
But इतने options की वजह से extra marital affairs भी बहुत हो रहे हैं. That's
हाँ.
also on the rise.
Correct, because that again is about like people feeling I could have done better. I want to experience this.
Like, how do you spot red flags in someone, in your opposite partner?
I'll tell you something. This is something which is a issue with the young generation. It's a very popular term, red flags.
Hmm.
And dating red flags. I went there, red flags. Then people come and announce it on social media also. I went on a date, and firstly, I don't think that's a good idea. If you had a private date, why are you announcing it? It'll just make people more withdrawn on dates. कि पता नहीं इसको पसंद नहीं आया है, लगा
डाल
देके
देगी.
चली. You know what I mean? Like
हाँ.
it's just not like okay,
हाँ.
but that's separate. But this whole thing of red flags, कि I'm not going with this person because everybody has red flags. We are all wrapped in red flags. लाल झंडे में हम लिपटे हुए हैं सारे. You will never find a person without red flags.
Hmm.
So there will be red flags. What you have to be comfortable with. Which red flags can you live with?
Okay, let me ask you this way. ऐसे कौन से रेड फ्लैग हैं जिसके साथ चेतन रह सकते हैं?
So, like for me, like you said, you like peace.
हाँ.
I like peace too. I
हाँ.
like somebody who's very quiet and peaceful. But, sometimes women are not. They don't like that sometimes, and I'm okay with it.
हाँ.
I'm okay with that red flag. It's not a red flag for me if she wants to like just have a talk now और अभी बात करनी है मुझे and तुमने ये नहीं ठीक करा वो नहीं. I don't like it,
हाँ.
but it comes with the territory.
उतना मैं सह लूंगा. हाँ.
I mean, you have to, and because men and women are different, they like to talk and they like to express. And I really haven't met that many women who say like this, like you said,
हाँ.
कि I just want to sit in silence. मुझे तंग मत करो. No, भाई, no.
ऐसा नहीं, गलत
I
एक्सपेक्टेशन
mean,
है
if she
मेरी.
likes you,
हाँ.
she will be like wanting to engage with you.
हाँ.
I mean, if she's, I would, that's the other red flag.
हाँ.
If your girlfriend is not interested in talking to you and switched off for 1 hour, that's also a red flag, no?
हाँ. True.
So you have to, I think, be okay with that. I mean, I'm okay with people who have insecurities because we all have them. People have insecurities. People may have childhood traumas they're carrying till this day. अब मुझे perfect लाल हरी झंडी वाला बंदा चाहिए. मैं कौन सा red flag के बिना हूँ? So how
आपके कौन से रेड फ्लैग्स हैं?
मेरे बहुत red flags हैं. I mean, I have this weird profession where I'm like, I think differently. I told you to write, I need complete deep work mode, no distractions, nothing. I want to get away from the world. Then I suddenly want to come to launch the book. It's not easy being with me. I'm judged, I'm trolled. I mean, I live with all that every day. My partner will get
Dragged into it,
blowback, So I understand. So, मतलब मेरे को क्यों हरी झंडी वाली like की expectation हो? So I think we should all realize that people are imperfect. But somewhere down the line, on Instagram, it's very easy to point out flaws. Narcissist terms. सारे narcissist हैं.
हाँ.
Everybody's narcissist and love bombing and all this. Relax. Firstly, get off social media. If you want to find true love, please don't.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
I mean, it's not helpful to discuss your dating journey.
हाँ, that way, of course, you should.
You should keep your dating life private. Couple goals. Seriously.